Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you all of the construction vehicles from this game called Kids Construction Vehicles. Alright, here is a compactor. A compactor is a vehicle used to reduce the size of different materials through stress and compaction. Goodbye, Mr. Compactor. Here is a front-end loader. A front-end loader is a construction vehicle used in construction, mainly for uploading materials into trucks. Oh, if you tap this bucket, it goes up. If you tap the bucket again, it goes down. It's lowered to the ground. Oh, it's got like monster tires, just like a tractor. You can open the door and close it. It even includes headlamps.
This is a road roller.
A steamroller. Alright, let's tell what a steamroller is. A road roller.
A road roller is a vehicle equipped with heavy, wide, mostly smooth rollers.
Yep, it is a vehicle equipped with a heavy, wide, mostly smooth roller. Oh yeah, it's got a roller drum. Oh, just like Rolly. Except Rolly is green. Oh, it's got a beacon on top.
Flashing lights.
Yeah, that's actually a beacon.
Exhaust pipe. A road roller is a vehicle equipped with heavy, wide, mostly smooth rollers.
Now, an exhaust pipe was designed to push hot air away from the vehicle, away from the steamroller, also called road roller. Oh, and this steamroller is powered by diesel fuel. It's got a diesel engine. Oh yeah, that's what makes it a road roller, a modern day road roller. So the first road roller was a steamroller powered by a steam engine. Okay. Goodbye, Mr. Steamroller, road roller.
It's a bulldozer.
A bulldozer. Alright, let's tell what a bulldozer is.
A bulldozer is a tracked tractor used to push large quantities of soil, sand, or rubble during construction, and then to flatten areas of ground. Blade lowered. Ripper lowered. The ripper is the long claw-like device on the back of the bulldozer. Headlamps. This is a wheel loader.
I already know what a front loader is.
It is a concrete mixer truck.
I just remember this. Special concrete mixer trucks are mainly made to mix concrete.
Special concrete mixer trucks are made to transport and mix concrete up to construction sites.
And it's got a revolving drum. It's yellow, and it's got the yellow stripes on the revolving drum. I just remember this. This is the same type of truck from the other one from the Kids Trucks and Buses game.
This is a grader.
Grader. This is a construction vehicle with a long blade used to create a flat surface.
A grader is a construction machine with a long blade used to create a flat surface.
It's got 6 wheels, just like an articulated dump truck.
Blade. Grader's blades are usually 2 times wider than bulldozer's blades.
Alright.
It's a bulldozer. Blade lowered. Blade raised. Blade lowered. The bulldozer blade is a heavy metal plate on the front of the tractor, used to push objects and shoving sand, soil, and debris.
That's very clever. Oh, just like this person said, the Ripper is a long claw-like device on the back of the bulldozer. It's got little exhaust pipes. We've got 2 exhaust pipes on the bulldozer. The bulldozer, yeah, just like the person said, the bulldozer's blade is a giant tool attached to the front of the tractor. Like this person said, the bulldozer is actually a tractor. It runs on tracks, just like the John Deere 9R tractors, like the 9RT tractors and the 8RT tractors. Oh yeah, a bulldozer is a tractor, so it runs on tracks, just like the John Deere 8RT and 9RT tractors, and the Challenger tractors. Oh, sorry, this is a crawler tractor. Ooh, just like Byron. Well, Byron's a bulldozer. Oh yeah, don't forget, Terrence is a crawler tractor. But Terrence was not a bulldozer. Yeah, well, Terrence is an orange crawler tractor. Alright. Goodbye, bulldozer.
This is an articulated hauler.
Oh, yup. And this is a type of dump truck used to transport loads over rough terrain.
An articulated hauler is a type of dump truck used to transport loads over rough terrain.
Oh, yeah, this is a 6-wheeled dump truck. So that's why it's called an articulated dump truck, or an articulated hauler, or articulated hauler. I love to call this the articulated dump truck because it is a 6-wheel dump truck. Yep, well, it is a type of dump truck used to transport loads over rough terrain. Okay, we've got a crane truck.
It is a mobile crane.
Yep, the crane truck. Oh, sorry, a truck crane, just like Lofty.
A mobile crane is a type of machine that can be used both to lift and lower materials, and to move them horizontally. This is a grader. This is a tracked excavator.
Excavator.
An excavator is a heavy construction equipment used for digging, material handling, river dredging, and demolitions. Backhoe. A backhoe is the main tool of the digger, used to dig up hard, compact material, usually earth, or to lift heavy loads, such as a sewer box. This is a grader.
Sorry. Here comes the giant dump truck.
This is a haul truck.
The haul truck. Now, alright. Haul truck is the largest, highest payload capacity type of dump truck.
Haul truck is the largest, highest payload capacity type of dump truck. Wheel, tire. Tires are about 35% of a truck's operating cost. Overload a truck and you abuse the tires.
Alright, the last vehicle.
It's a compactor. Compactor is a machine used to reduce the size of different materials through stress and compaction. Compactors are often used in landfill sites to compress waste so that more of it can be stored in the same space. These vehicles we call a landfill or trash compactor. In construction, there are three main types of compactor: the plate compactor, the jumping jack, and the road roller. The plate compactor has a large vibrating base plate and is suited for creating a level grade. The jumping jack is much smaller. It looks almost like a jackhammer, this handy machine which doesn't let me sleep in the morning. It is mainly used to compact the backfill in narrow trenches for water or gas supply pipes. The roller-type compactors are used for compacting crushed rock as the base layer underneath concrete or stone foundations. The rollers also may vibrate. It is fun.
Alright, that's all the information about this new compactor. About the compactor.
Compactor is a machine used to reduce the size of different materials through stress and compaction.